excited to announce that we are back on track with all the safety measures in place for you to walk in and feel very safe while shopping. Today's session is going to be very exciting. We planned to introduce you to a new concept that we've come out with in Global Desi, which is called Super Pants. Now Super Pants is actually going to make your wardrobe very versatile. What it does is that you can pair one pant with multiple tops and make it look fabulous. You can actually give a new life to a new look every time you wear it. So let me just show you the first one. This is actually our first super pant. It's in a very soft mull fabric. It's also not see-through, so you won't have issues like that. The color is also very bright, happy, and it's actually gonna look very, very nice on you and make your day very happy. So the first look that I want to introduce you to is this demure look. Now if you want to make the pant the highlight, you can pair it with a slightly more basic top in a white or beige color. So it's going to make the pant the highlight. Now to add a little bit of color, you can pair it with silver jewelry with hints of pink in it. So this way the entire look looks actually very, very balanced. Now originally this look was actually for 4697 and right now we're running a special discount on it. So after your discount, it's actually going to be for 3861. And for today's Sounder Style session, we're also giving you an additional 10% discount on it. So please log into our globaldesi.in website and use the code SOS10. Now the second look that I want to show you is this beautiful asymmetric kurta. Now it's actually very difficult to make print on print look work, but actually when done right, it can look fabulous. This, I think when you wear rayon, it really helps your skin feel fresh. It's makes your skin sort of breathe, so it's not going to feel very stuffy. So if you're working from home or if you're spending your entire day in it, it's actually going to make you feel very comfortable. Now this look is for a girl that loves a lot of color. She doesn't mind wearing printed top, printed pants, and she'll be very happy with it. But this look, we've paired it with basic earrings. So they're just silver with hints of pink, so that it doesn't look a little too much. This look is actually for 4397 and with discount, it's going to be 3660. The third look that you can pair with it is actually sort of in the middle of these two looks. So it's not very demure, but it's not very too much also. The embroidery here is very intricate and we've given some tassel details. So if you want to go a little bit more premium or a little bit more elevated, I think this will look really nice on you. The last look is actually a top and pant look. So this way you don't have to sort of only pair it with kurtas, you can also pair it with the top and look good. We've given these basic small earrings so as to balance the entire look out. So these are your amazing 4 looks that are paired with one pant. I think the best way to make your entire outfit look good is to accessorize it. You don't have to try too hard. You wear it and it just completes your look. So I'm going to take you through some of my favorites. So these are actually very lightweight. You have some beaded hoops, you have some enamel earrings, some silver jhumkas. So anything that sort of works with your style you can buy. Actually these are my favorite. So we actually work with an NGO that makes these beautiful, amazing earrings. So they work with women from marginalized societies and sort of teach them how to create these different looks. They're also made from scrap fabrics. So the things that we have left, we actually create these amazing earrings. So it's actually both ethical as well as sustainable. So that's why I love them personally. So my favorite part about Global Desi personally is also the footwear that we make. I can take you through a few of my favorites that will work with all these looks. This is a beautiful Kolhapuri. So it's beaded, you can wear it on festive, you can wear it on casual wear also and it will look really nice. The good thing is that they're actually 100% vegan leather. They're also very lightweight, so it's actually cruelty free. It doesn't absorb a lot of moisture also, so it looks good also and it feels good also. The other thing is that I think these sliders are very in this season. They are very trendy, you can just slip them on. These are the other pair of sliders. I think they have a very fresh, beachy look. with a little bit of a silver highlight, some threads and a little bit of shells. So you'll really feel like you're on vacation. So this is actually, again, just to point it out, I'm at the Linking Road store, and all these looks you can find here. We're all equipped with all the safety measures in place for you to actually shop here. So this was our first Super Pants look. Let's go upstairs and I'll take you through the second one. These are our second pair of ink blue super pants. They're border embroidered and they're very intricate, and the color combination is absolutely wonderful. In this look, I've paired it with one pant and two kurtas. So as you can see, you can really be versatile and wear it. This really sort of stays true to Global Desi. We're a boho chic brand, and I think this look really speaks it. You can pair it with maybe a printed kurta, or you can also pair it with a basic white top, or you can pair it with a little bit of embroidery highlight. I think what works is also if you pair it with boho earrings, tribal jewelry with a little bit of let's say blue and red, so that works very well. So as you can see also, this entire floor is actually on 40% off, which is amazing. You can actually pick out your favorite tops, dresses, bottoms, jumpsuits. I'm going to actually take you through some of my personal favorites. So this is actually a really nice shift dress. It doesn't have any cut on the waist, so it's going to help you sort of move around and be at home very easily, even if you're working from home. I think the beauty is that teal color works very well on the Indian skin, and I think anyone who wears this is going to look really nice. It's also embroidered very intricately, as you can see. So it adds that little bit of a premium feature. This is my most favorite look. It's actually a concept that we've come up with, Global Desi as a brand. It's actually called a Garara jumpsuit. So we've taken the traditional Garara and we sort of made it into a fusion outfit with a jumpsuit. So the interesting thing is also that it has pockets. So you can walk around. I know that's one major concern that most women have. So it's really, really great. It's also made in a cotton fabric. So it's really amazing, breathable and soft on the skin. This is my second favorite sort of work from home look. It's very easy breezy. I think the beauty is that this color really makes your day happy. It's also made in a very nice fabric, so it's not plain. Let's see some other looks on this side. So I love the two pieces that Global Desi has. The one I'm also wearing currently is also Global Desi. So I think it's really cute crop top with sort of a tie-up in the front and a nice skirt with lots of button-up details. I think even if you wear it at home or if you're having some people over at a later point, I think it just works very, very well together. My last favorite is this boho top. I think this is really what Global Desi is all about. Boho chic and just amazingly effortless. You can just wear it from day to night. It's really a 9 to 5 look. You can even wear it at night and makes your sort of evening much, much better. The other exciting thing is that we have all these beautiful kurtas, and we have like unlimited colors in leggings that you can pair with it. So we are currently on offer 2. You can buy 2 for $5.99. So you can really let your imagination run while we have everything in one place. You pick a kurta and you have great leggings also to pair it with. Now also the great thing is that we, like I mentioned before, we are also following all the safety measures. If you want a personalized shopping experience, our staff is more than happy to sort of help you out and guide you through all the styles that we have. Just to reiterate, all these looks are actually on an additional 10% off on our website, globaldesi.in. You can use the code SOS10 and log in to avail this discount. It was amazing, amazing, amazing speaking to you guys. Thank you for logging in and taking time to hear me out. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you soon in a lot of other styling sessions. Thank you.